Hello learners, welcome to Chemistry Nuggets. I'm Akanksha and in this video I will explain you everything about valency. So this chapter is the structure of atom from class 9th. So let's get started. The question is, what would be the valency of elements having atomic number 13, atomic number 16, and find the name of the elements. So friends, first of all, I will explain you what is valency. We already heard about Bohr-Bury scheme for writing the configuration. So in that, the second rule is that the element have the outermost configuration having only 8 electrons. So valency comes from that. Every element wants to be stable with the 8 electrons in their outermost shell. This is called octet. So for achieving this octet, some atoms give extra electrons outside and make cations. Some take the electron to make octet and become anion, and some elements we can say they will share their electrons with other elements to achieve the octet. So the ability to give, take or share of any particular element is called its valency. So let's see how to solve this question. First of all, we need to understand the Bohr-Bury scheme. There are 3 points. The first point is for K shell, it is maximum electrons are 2. For L shell, maximum electron will be 8. For M shell, 18, and so on. We will do like 32 like that. So second point is outermost shell has only maximum number of 8 electrons. Outermost shell. It is also called as valence shell. The third point is that a new shell, filling of new shell is start when the inner shells are completely filled. Filling new shell. What is filling new shell? After inner shell are filled. You can understand. FALLET. So these are the 3 main rules. So let's write the configuration and get the valency of the element. Here Z is equal to 13. So we can write it. First shell 2 electrons. Second shell 8 electrons. Now how many left? 3 electrons. The third shell will accommodate 3 electrons. Now this third shell should be the valence shell in case of atomic number 13. So this 3 electrons, we will see whether this 3 electrons it will give easily. So to achieving octet. How many electrons less? 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So what will happen? For achieving its octet, either the third shell is M shell, we can say K, L, M. This is M. This is K and this is L. In the M shell, which is the valence shell in this case, to achieve octet, either this element will take 5 electrons or it will leave 3 electrons. Then only it will achieve its octet. So what is easy to do? Taking 5 electrons is difficult, then leaving 3 electrons. So this element will able to leave 3 electrons to achieve its octet. So this is called its valency. You can say the valency is equal to 3. It means it will be able to give 3 electrons. Understand the concept? Now one more time I will do with Z is equal to 16. Let's see. First of all we will write the configuration. The first shell 2 electrons, second shell 8 electrons. Now how many left? 6 electrons. 2, 8, 6, 16. Now see again we will do, we can say 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So 2, this is the valence shell. You can say in valence shell, to achieve the octet, either this element will take 2 electrons to become 8 or it can leave 6 electrons to become 2 octet. What is easier to do? Leaving 6 electrons, leaving 6 electrons or taking 2 electrons? Yes, taking 2 electrons is easier process. So this given element will take 2 electrons and make anion, which will be the octet structure will be complete and this element will be becoming stable. So we can say the valency of element Z is equal to 16 should be 2. Close in the box. Now, for Z is equal to, the second point is find the name of the element. For Z is equal to 13, the element should be, or the element with the atomic number 13 is aluminium. This is, we can write it here, aluminium, and Z is equal to 16 is our sulfur. We can write it here. It is sulfur. So, hope you guys understand. If you have any doubt, you can feel free to ask me by writing a comment. And if you have any particular question in this topic, you should ask me how to solve that. Thank you.